Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your Baseus Storm 1. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and after that close the charging case. These earbuds are disconnected from your phone and we can see it right here. And after that just open the charging case and click on your device at the device list. Because it have some trouble with reconnected with the phone, so we should by just clicking on it. Yeah, and we did it. As you can see now it reconnect to the phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.